Today in this video I am going to show you how to turn on select to speak on your Android phone.
When select to speak is on, you can tap specific items on your screen to hear them read aloud. Start select to speak. Then you can
Welcome back to the tutorial lab. You can select items on your screen and hear them read or describe aloud with select to speak for Android. If you are new here, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Let's get started. How to turn on select to speak. To do this, open your device's setting app. On the setting app menu, tap accessibility and then select to speak. If you don't see select to speak on your phone, then go to the Google Play to download the latest version of Android Accessibility Suite and then try these steps again. At the top, turn on select to speak. Tap OK. Here you can see a shortcut button for select to speak. How to use select to speak. Tap an item on your screen like text or an image. To hear multiple items, drag your finger across the screen. To hear everything, tap play. Let's select.
When select to speak is on, you can tap specific items on your screen to hear them read aloud. Start select to speak. Then you can tap a specific item, like text or an image. Drag your finger across the screen to select multiple items. Tap the play button to hear everything on screen. Select text that appears inside the camera view.
By this way, you can use select to speak. That was our today's video. Hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and press the bell icon. Get connected with the tutorial lab. Thanks for watching.